I live in California and I bought 3 one-euro homes in Sicily.
She has 3 dream projects: a restaurant, a wellness center, and a vacation home. Rubia says renovating a house in Sicily takes a lot more time than it would back in California. Then again, it's also a lot cheaper.
I budget the renovation should be about $20,000, and I spend a little bit over that amount. Chiamo Rubia. For $35,000 so far, I was able to get an Italian kitchen. My bathroom has beautiful marbles. I have a historical stone wall, and the house is just incredible. I'm expecting not to exceed $40,000. That's my top limit of my budget, which I wouldn't be able to do back in California because the cost will be much higher there. This part over here is going to be my office, and I have a balcony that faces the main street.